You're watching CKWS News at Noon. Good to see you on this Tuesday afternoon. Happy Halloween to you. If you are trick-or-treating this evening or going out with some trick-or-treaters, you're going to want to bundle up. Our high today, only 5 or 6 degrees, and the chance of a light rain throughout the latter part of the afternoon into the early evening. Switching over to flurries overnight, so it might be the first morning when you wake up. Tomorrow morning might be some white on the ground. How about that? Dropping down to a low of 0 overnight. We'll update you right now with our Futurecast images. This is the bit of a system we're talking about for trick-or-treaters between the county and for Kingston, and areas to the north of us should be okay, except some flurries late evening, maybe early morning for Smiths Falls and Ottawa, and temperatures aren't going to be on the rise to at least average until Friday, so a couple of chilly days to get through. 4 degrees the expected high for Belleville today. I know, not very high at all. 1 to 2 millimeters of a rain-snow mix. Just very light, though. 6 degrees for tomorrow for a high for Belleville. A mix of sun and clouds, and some sunny periods for Thursday, only getting to 9. Chilly overnight lows as well, right across the board. For Brockville, 6 degrees today, mostly clear. 4 for tomorrow, maybe a centimeter of a rain-snow mix. And then 8 on Thursday, mostly clear. For Smiths Falls, good afternoon to you. You'll have a nice sunny sky for the afternoon, getting to just 4 degrees, though, well below average. 10 degrees is the average high for this time of year. 4 for tomorrow as well, maybe a centimeter of a rain-snow mix, and then a mix of sun and clouds on Thursday, getting to 8 degrees, so approaching double-digit highs. And for Kingston, we'll get to around 6 degrees today. 1 to 2 millimeters of rain for the trick-or-treating hour, it looks like, and then 4 for tomorrow, 1 centimeter of a rain-snow mix. Do bundle up. And then we're up to 8 on Thursday. Enjoy some sunny periods, and then clouding over for Friday. We'll end the week with a high of 10 degrees and 11 on Saturday with the chance of a light rain.
Is brought to you by your locally owned Midas in Belleville, Brockville, and Kingston. For brakes, tires, oil, everything. Midas will keep you safe and on the road in all weather conditions.
Yes, a few flurries tonight for the ghosts and goblins going door-to-door trick-or-treating. I think that it's not going to be very heavy, and it may start off as a shower, turn to flurries tonight. Cool conditions, though, especially if you get caught in those breezes. It's not a very strong wind, but it's enough to put about a 5-point spread between the temperature and just how cool it feels. Yes, we're feeling a little bit of a wind chill and will overnight. Partly cloudy over Wednesday and Thursday. Now, there is a small probability of a flurry in the morning and early in the afternoon tomorrow, and in some parts over the lake and to the east again Thursday. But for the most part, just a mix of sun and cloud over Wednesday and Thursday. Mostly cloudy Friday, a little milder, and you're looking at even milder conditions back to double digits over the weekend, but we may pay the price with some showers. Yeah, not the flurries, but the showers. Back to that again. 4 degrees in Kingston, Brockville, even Ottawa had a 4, 3 in Smiths Falls, 5 in Belleville, Peterborough and Oshawa, 6 Celsius in Toronto today. Everybody below normal. Sitting at 3 right now, those easterly winds in at 13 kilometers per hour, reported in Norman Rogers at the top of the hour. And we are looking at mostly cloudy conditions. We did get a little break of cloud, but there's some really dark cloud moving in from the north and the northwest. And that's what's carrying that precipitation. And it's sort of one of those transitional things, too, where it may start off as a shower and turn to flurries. Just a trace in the last 24 hours of showers. Yeah, we're seeing a high-pressure system just north of us. It's not doing much of anything except maybe break that cloud up a little bit. Still fairly cloudy as this low moves out, and we see an end to the chance of shower flurry mixture overnight. We see the probability still at about 30 to 40% across eastern Ontario tomorrow, all because of this troughing that we're getting through the region. And so you know, the probability is quite small, 20 to 30, maybe 40% chance of a flurry through the morning and the afternoon. It's very minor. But enjoy that sunshine that you will be getting. It's going to be a mix of sun and cloud. You will get at least some sunny periods through the day. Taking a look at your Thursday, you're seeing a little more cloud, that mix of sun and cloud. But for areas close to the lake and to the east, there's a very small probability of precipitation too. So this is where we are now, and it's showing on the radar right now the shower. So we project to our futurecast 48 hours, and we see that change to flurries through the evening. After just before midnight, we see it come to an end, some partial clearing. Got a pretty decent day tomorrow, but there's that. Did you see the little flecks of white there? That was that. There it is again, that chance of flurries through the afternoon. Very small, though, not a great deal. And again, Thursday morning, there's, over the water and to the east, you might see a little bit up through Brockville, Smiths Falls, that chance of showers. It seems to be primarily over the water and to the northeast in the Belleville-Kingston area. I don't think, unless you're right on the lake, I don't think you're going to see much activity. Belleville, a high 6 tomorrow, a mix of sun and cloud and a 30% chance of a flurry. We do have that chance of flurries, a greater chance tonight. Thursday, it's a high 9 and a mix of sun and cloud. For 12 is your high Friday, and cloudy conditions. Yeah, the cloud's going to build up, but we get a rise in temperature back to double digits in Brockville on Friday too, but you do have about a 40% chance of showers or flurries tomorrow. Thursday, a high of 8 and mainly sunny, and Friday, a high 10 and mostly cloudy. Smiths Falls rising to 3 degrees tomorrow, 70% chance of showers and flurries. You might even see a little bit of freezing, a little bit of ice pellets maybe. That's all because of what we're getting here in Belleville-Kingston tonight. Very slowly gets to you through the morning tomorrow. And that's why we're seeing 70% probability. That probability falls off through the day. Thursday, mix of sun and cloud, a high of 8. 10's your high Friday, and cloudy skies. Kingston, your forecast, a few flurries possible tonight, wet flurries. They might be mixed with showers to start, and then tomorrow that probability reduces to 40% and a mix of sun and cloud. A high of 8 on Thursday with a mix of sun and cloud. Quite windy Friday and cloudy conditions, a high of 11, up to 11 again on Saturday, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers. A good chance of showers over Sunday too as it reaches double digits again. Then we start to see those temperatures slipping again. Monday only up to 9 with a chance of showers. A good chance of showers on Tuesday too with a high of 6. Now your weather wallpaper.
Weather Wallpaper is brought to you by Christine Geary's Maple Leaf Tours Travel Cruise. Visit mapleleaftours.com to get into the picture.
Ooh, how fitting. A spooky moon on Halloween. John Wansowitz of Kingston sends this one in, and what a lovely picture.
It's like a painting.
Love the blue hues. Yeah, it does. It does look. And for those of you wondering if I am not where's my Halloween costume?
Yes.
There it is right there.
This is my Halloween costume.
Yes.
Oh, so you're dressed as a weather
No,
person.
the button I'm wearing. The button I'm wearing is my Halloween costume.
Oh, just the button itself.
This is the costume. That's right.
Okay. Well, I'm glad you clarified that for us.
Just so, well, so it's a technicality. If you said I wasn't wearing one, well, there you go.
Well, in the past, Bill, you've been a pirate. You've been all kinds of people.
There was a time when you would dress too, Bill.
I don't think so.
I think there was.
In reading the news? I don't think so, no. No, I think there's a policy against that for obvious reasons. Right, okay. But you, on the other hand, can get away with so much more. And you have.
I have.
But not
then,
this year.
This is now.
That's true. That's true. Okay, so fairly dry for the little ones out trick-or-treating right now, but that could change as the older crew tends to come out a little later.
Yeah, a little cooler, and some flurries are possible, yeah.
Okay. Well, we'll find out what's in your 10-day outlook, the first 10 days of November coming up later. Thank you, Bill. First 10 days of November in the 10-day outlook, Bill.
Yes, spooky conditions tonight for the trick-or-treaters as they see the chance of showers turn to flurries. Quite cool. Feeling like -7 overnight with the wind chill. 4 will be your high tomorrow with a mix of sun and clouds. Still a lingering 40% chance of a flurry through the morning and early afternoon. Otherwise, just a mix of sun and cloud. Mix of sun and cloud Thursday. Temperatures improving, a high of 8. And windy conditions Friday with a high of 11. Cloudy skies too. Saturday up to 11. The chance of showers returns up to 60 or 80% across eastern Ontario on Sunday with a high of 11. 9's your high Monday as the chance of showers continues. And as we get into some periods of rain Tuesday, only a high of 6. Temperatures falling again. Wednesday up to 5 as a 60% chance of mixed precipitation comes our way. Thursday and Friday still on the cool side and still a good chance of mixed precipitation.
Okay, so a couple of days above, slightly above or seasonal average, and then the rest of it's all below.
Exactly.
Right. And of course this weekend is the time change. We fall back 1 hour. And
That's right.
We'll be right back.
Your long-range weather. You're watching CKWS News at 11.
Yeah, precipitation moving through tonight. The showers turning to flurries across the region as temperatures drop. High pressure trying to come in and clear things up for us over Wednesday. There's a small probability of a light flurry through the morning and early afternoon in the Belleville-Kingston area, more so through Brockville and Smiths Falls as they see what we get tonight, which is showers turning to flurries. You're probably already seeing that flurry action. High pressure will clear things up partially tomorrow, despite that small probability of flurries. And we're hoping that for a little bit of sunshine on Thursday, too. But late Thursday, we'll start to see a little bit of cloud moving in. Come Friday, early Friday, that cloud increases, and we're going to see temperatures back on the rise again, into double digits by Friday with an increase in cloud. Belleville, enjoy that chilly chance of flurries tonight and through the day tomorrow at only 30%. Mix of sun and cloud. Thursday, a high 9 and a mix of sun and cloud. And yeah, a little milder on Friday as the cloud builds up. We could see some showers as the double digits stick around over the weekend. Brockville, a high of 3, and yes, the chance of showers and flurries. And then for Thursday, it's mainly sunny with a high of 8, up to 10 degrees. Friday, mostly cloudy. Smiths Falls, a high of 3 tomorrow, a chance of showers and flurries, mixed precipitation. Yeah, wouldn't even be surprised to see a little bit of freezing rain as it continues through the evening. Thursday, a high of 8 and a mix of sun and cloud. Friday, cloudy with a high of 10. Kingston, a high 4 tomorrow, and that chance of showers turning to flurries tonight. Probably a 30% chance of a flurry, maybe 40% by the middle of the afternoon, but very small chance and light at that, nothing heavy. A high of only 4, up to 8 degrees. Thursday, yeah, warming up a bit, a mix of sun and cloud. Come Friday, increasing cloud with a high of 11, up to 11 again. Saturday as the chance of showers returns. Up to 11 on Sunday with showers. Monday, a good chance of showers again, a high 9, cooling down Tuesday, only high of 6 degrees, and a good chance of rain.